LeetCode question number 92, reverse linked list 2. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given the head of a singly linked list and two integers, left and right, where left is the small equal than right, and reverse the node of the list from position left to position right, and return the reversed list. Let's check it. Example 1. In this case, left is 2 to 4, so we're gonna reverse this one. So 2 going to here last, and then 3 here, 4 here, and then we need to connect the before here to here, and then we also need to connect this one tail to last item. Does this make sense? So okay, the example 2, there are only one item, 1. Reverse is the same because the item is only 1. Okay, n is the number of node, and then n is the smaller than 1, and then bigger than 1, bigger equal than 1, and then small equal than 500. Node value is minus 500 to 500. Left right is 1 to n. Does this make sense? Okay, and the follow. Could you do it in one pass? Sure. Okay, today I'm gonna show you the one pass. Use. Okay. My approach is one pass. Time complexity is linear and space complexity 1 because we're gonna use iteration to reverse the linked list. So I'm gonna use this one. My approach is change it to singly linked list. I'm gonna do previous, current, next. So I'm gonna this is the null, and then I'm gonna switch one by one. Then we also have the left pointer and right pointer. My approach is first I'm gonna locate the current to reverse start point. To do that, I'm gonna use the left pointer. So left pointer 2 means we started 2. That means if we reduce 1 and then we also increase 1. So the pointer pointing to start point at this time, current pointing the first item of we need to reverse. Does this make sense? So and then I'm gonna start to converting reverse one by one like this, and then at that time I'm gonna reduce because we just move to get right minus left, so that is the same as this one. Does this make, because left the pointing to start point. Does this make sense? Move down, change, move down, change. Before that, okay, back. At this time I'm gonna do this 2 point. This point is 1. We have this one because after reverse one we need to connect like this, right? So we also need to tail. Tail must be 2. So we can do connection for connection, and then this is tail. Does this make sense? So we're gonna increase. Increase. change, decrease. This is the -1. I do not move any one. So now, but we want one more move. So in this time, flap is the new tail. So I'm gonna change to 1, and this is 5. Then 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. So we able to make. Does this make sense? So okay, let's start. Flap is none and current is head. So we're here. So left is here and right is here. So I'm gonna move position to here, and then in this time I'm gonna reduce left and right. Why left is 1? Y is 1, not 0. The mean is this is 1 index seed. So this time my flap is current, and then current is current next, and then left I decrease left and then decrease right. This time we are here, so we do make the pointer, and connection is flap and tail is current. And then I'm gonna move right is minus before -1. I will iterate, and then I need next is current next. This is next, and then I will change next to flap like this. And then move the flap to current. Then current to next, because this one is disconnected. That is the reason why I made temp. And then I will reduce right is -1. So move -1, move -1, move minus. So now we are here. So it's time to connect this one to this one. So but we needed to check current is exist or not. If the let's say left is 1, in this time this one is the tail, right? So at this time flap none, current none, this one is not execute, and then current is flap, right? So if current, and then I will lead to next is 4 next 1, right? 4 next 1. 1 next 4. So 1 next connection next is 4. 4 is flap. Otherwise, and then if connection is not exist, and then P is head. So head is flap, right? And then if tail is exist, tail next, what is tail next? That's right, current. Otherwise, that means there are only one item or something else. So at this time, tail must be none. And then I'm gonna return head. Looks good. Thank you.